is Teacher Sarah, and today we will be making a cute bunny craft. So let's go over all of the supplies that we'll need, and then we'll get started. Let's go over what we'll need for this bunny project. You are going to need 2 paper plates like these. You'll also need some scissors. Make sure to ask an adult for some help. And you will need 2 eyes. You can always draw the eyes on if you don't have Google Eyes. I'm going to use a pom-pom for the nose. You could also draw this as well. Pipe cleaner for the whiskers. This you can also draw if you don't have a pipe cleaner. You'll need a pencil and a glue stick, and you'll need a stapler. Get an adult for help with the stapler if you need help. And a piece of white cardstock. We're going to use that for the ears. And a pink marker. I am also going to use glue dots today, but this is optional. Let's get started. So you're going to start with one of your paper plates, and you are going to cut it in half. So you can measure it, or you can just look at it and see kind of where the middle would be. And you're going to cut across the middle to the other side, like that. And you only need 1/2, so you can put the other one aside. Okay, so now you need your full paper plate and your half paper plate. And you are going to put these opposite each other so that it makes a pocket. So you see the pocket? You're going to line up the edges, and this is where you're going to need your stapler. So get an adult to help you if you have not used a stapler before. And you're going to go right on the edge and staple it. And then do the other side. Try and line it up the best you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like that. And then I like to put a couple along the bottom as well. And you will see we have made a little pocket like that. Okay, you're going to take your white piece of cardstock and you're going to fold it in half. We're going to make some bunny ears. So fold it in half like this. Okay, and then you're going to get your pencil and you're going to just draw what you want your bunny ear to look like. So I'm going to do mine up and around like that. And then what you'll need to do is get your scissors and you're going to cut through both sides of the paper. This way, after you're done cutting, you will have 2 bunny ears. So carefully cut around or ask an adult for some help. And you'll see that now I have 2 bunny ears. I'm going to take my pink marker And I'm going to draw a tall rainbow. So I'm going to start at the bottom, go all the way up to here and back down. So I'm not going all the way to the top. And they probably won't look exactly the same, and that's okay. You can color these ears in all the way, or you can make lines like I'm going to. I'm just making some diagonal lines. And I'll go back through and make some more. And I just kind of keep going until it's mostly pink. But of course, you can just take your marker and color the whole thing in. And I'm just going to do that again on the other side. So now I have 2 bunny ears. Let's glue them to our paper plate. Let's go ahead and put glue along the bottom right here. And you want enough so it really sticks. And then you're going to put it on the back of this paper plate. You have your pocket in the front, and you're going to put it on the back and pinch it with your fingers. And then do the same thing with the other side. You can always go back and add more glue if you need to. So you can see I have my bunny ears attached to the back. And now we're going to make the face. So first we're going to glue on the eyes, or you can draw eyes right here. I'm going to use my glue dots for this. I just feel like they hold a little better, but you can use your glue stick or any glue that you have. I just like to stick the eye right on the glue dot and peel it off. And I'll put one eye right here at the top. And I'll repeat that with the other side. And now take your pipe cleaner and you're going to fold it in half like this and bend the end. And then you're going to do that again and bend it just like that. Then you'll want to take your scissors and cut this little part right here. That will make it so that there's 2 on each side. And then you open it up and twist in the middle. If you don't have a pipe cleaner, you can draw the whiskers on, you can draw the eyes on. You don't have to use the things that I'm using. And then I like to trim these a little bit so they're not so long. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is going to go right about here. I'm going to bring these in a little closer so they're not covering my eyes like that. And again, I'm going to use a glue dot. So I'll just stick this here. And we're going to stick that right to the middle. And then you're going to you can use your pink marker again. If you have a darker color, I'm going to use black. You're going to draw like an upside down candy cane 2 times, like that. And then your pom-pom is going to be the nose. So you have a little bunny now. And you can add any other decorations that you want to. I am going to actually take this pink pom-pom and I'm going to glue it to the back as a tail. And I'm going to stick this right here to make a little pom-pom tail on the bunny. Just like that. So you can use this to hold some markers or stickers. I'm going to use some of this grass, it's paper grass, and I'm going to fill in the top with the grass. Like that. And then in the grass, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 Easter eggs. You can squish them way down in there like that. So you have an Easter bunny paper plate. And you don't have to put eggs in. You can put something else in, little candies, or you can put some pictures that you drew inside. And you can even put a string on this and hang it up. Great job. I had so much fun making this bunny craft with you today. Now, share this video so a friend can make a bunny craft too. Keep having fun and being creative, and I'll see you soon. Bye!